Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I'm gonna develop another component for our startup uh, web application, and let me show you. Yes, today I'm gonna start implementing this login register um, component. It's not gonna be a page, it's gonna be something like popping up a small, let's say, dialog maybe page. Actually, I haven't decided yet. So normally, I was thinking to create a maybe like HTML dialog element, but then I decided to change things and try something different. So I'm gonna create just regular div and HTML form, and since we need to send the user inputs. So I'm gonna use HTML form in this component, and it's gonna when the user click login register uh, button, this is gonna show up. So in my previous work, we have implemented this project, and as you can see in this project, we have sign up or login button, or let's say uh, elements. So I was thinking to use the React's own logic, like uh, uh, first create the component, then to show it maybe when the user clicks that button or link, whatever it is. I was thinking to like use state and change the state so that if the when the state changes, it's gonna like show the this login register pop up. But today I'm gonna try something different. So normally what I do in regular vanilla JavaScript projects, I just create to make it like dynamic. I create HTML uh, elements, then I append them to DOM. But in React, I made some research and I asked what was it? I asked the BART and uh, ChatGPT, and of course I Google other stuff too. What they is suggesting and telling me not to do, don't directly change the DOM. So in React, we can't. I mean, we can actually, but they say it causes some problem. So that's why I'm not gonna able to use the methods that what normal I do when I'm using vanilla JavaScript. So that's why I'm gonna try something different. And you're gonna see it. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's gonna bring some benefits. I have no idea. Maybe it's a stupid idea. I don't know, but I just wanna try it. And if it goes in a wrong way, I'm just gonna like change it or delete it, and I'm gonna just implement it as we do in React. Just I'm gonna use state and blah blah blah. Okay, so let's start. So first, let me. Yes. Doot, 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 doot. Hmm. Okay, let's select this. Open new one. Full shell. Okay. So first, git pull. First let's check. Git branch. I need to create a new branch. Right now I'm in the main. Okay, let's pull the latest code. I'm pretty sure. Oh, really? We don't have anything to update? Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna create new component for this. But first I need to check. It's gonna be in the home page and uh, hero. Actually, maybe. I should I go to root? Yes, navbar. Sorry. Should be in the navbar and in the navbar. Let me see our logger. I mean, normally they should actually create subcomponents and they should definitely make it simpler than this, but I don't know why they enjoy writing this amount of code all together. So, oh my God, that's not a good thing. Okay, let's stop complaining and yes, sign up. And so they created as a sign in span. Okay, so I'm gonna uh maybe I can keep it. Yeah, why not? Let's keep it span. And when we click it, it's gonna show us. Okay, so yeah. First, let me. This is gonna be now login. Okay, so maybe I can just copy this and git branch. It's gonna be no, it's not gonna be in the homepage. It's gonna be nowbar. Okay, layouts, and it's for login register components. Yeah. Oh, what's the problem? So that's the problem. Oh, maybe not a valid object name. Why it is giving me this interesting? It's because I'm using PowerShell? Is it related to that? I mean, I never had this problem, but okay, let me see. Git branch buttons. Novel layout and login register. Yep, no problem. I don't know. Sometimes PowerShell gives me this kind of different problems, but I don't know. Okay, let's see. Git branch. I think we didn't change it. Yes, we are still in the main. So maybe I should use the dash B to change it. That it's okay. Uh, check out. Okay. So we're in the new branch. So let's start. Oh, the other thing is I needed another command prompt. Yes, and it should be yarn dev. Yeah, let's start our web server. Okay, it's, it's gonna be working. It's right here. Okay, that's good. Do 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 do. Let's close this one. Okay, so this is not my component, so I don't want to change so many stuff. Let's use as it is. Oh, let's first click. Okay, okay. Get the console dock. I'm pretty sure it should be working. I just want to try. Uh, no, I don't want this. Let's see this. And yes. Is it my computer or it's there's a problem? Okay, let's see. Reconstruction. What's going on? Oops, wrong one. Oh, silly me. There should be a callback function, sorry. And the thing is, oh yeah, I should definitely change this. So what did they do actually? Okay, okay. Okay. So instead of this, it's gonna show it. So I think maybe, yeah, maybe I can just use this one. Okay. Oops. Okay. So let's make it a little bit more readable and by the way, this is a best practice. Using for material UI, let's say, styling rules in the line, it's a bad thing. It causes some rendering latency. So I should warn our guys like not to use this one. Okay, nav link. So basically he used this one, he used this one, okay, and it's the same thing. Okay. Okay, that's good. So right now I need to create the components. So this is neighbor drop down, it's not there. Let's go components, generic layout. Yes, it's neighbor. Component. Should I create it in Nova? Yeah, of course, why not? Nova drop down, it's something else. So maybe I can just say, uh, should I create a subcomponent as login? I mean, so maybe there will be another login, let's say, and when the user wants to click login in maybe another page, so that means it's not gonna be only for the nav bar. So yeah, definitely. So maybe I should just like create it under a user. Yeah, why not I do like user authentication? Yeah, instead of mobile. So it's gonna be generic because user authentication. Yeah, it's gonna be. Let's create a new folder. User authentication. Okay. And new browser. Uh, let's say login, register. Perfect. Okay, login register. Okay. Maybe let me check. I mean this kind of things are simple things, but I just wanna name them in a correct way. So it's gonna be login actually. It's not gonna register. Register is gonna be at the other page. So just maybe login. Yeah, I should just say just login. Running. Okay. Uh, oops. No, 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 no. Is it? Okay. Okay. Wait. It's showing like this. Okay. Just look. Okay. Perfect. So new file. Um, yeah. Why not? Login JSX. Login.css. And it's gonna be again React. React functional component exports. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's make it nice. And what do I do generally? I like, yes, I like adding uh, this kind of stuff. I like it, adding comments. So I'm gonna it's this and it's gonna be login CSS. Yes, correct. Okay. Let's change this to React fragments. I don't want any D right now. Okay, that's good. Uh, is anything else ahead? No. Perfect. Okay, okay. So I'm creating this one, and when the user clicks this one, I wanna actually uh, append it to our DOM, virtual DOM. So in React way, like I would just create a state here, like use state React. Oops, wait a second. Yes, and I will just like do it. Let's say show maybe login. Yeah, then I'll just make it false. Then when the user clicks to this element, I will just change it and show the um, login pop-up. But this is my last option. I mean, normally I do like this, but I just want to try something else. So let's see. So what I'm gonna try is, so we're gonna have only one, possibly, yeah. Let me check something. Where's the, yeah, let's see. Come on. Come on. Okay. So these guys are they gonna be like links to other pages, and there's only one looking at it. Okay, and there's another done it. So I'm not, I don't need to create any, let's say, any reusable component for this. Okay. So, not this one, this one. Yeah. Okay. So let me think about this for a second. Uh, so maybe I should just say, let's create a section. Okay. 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 Let's give an ID to this section. This is gonna be like login, uh, main wrapper, maybe. Let's say container. Why not? Main container. Okay. So in this container, there will be so oh, okay. So should I divide this into two? Maybe this section is one and this section is one. And inside this section, I can just uh, so this section can be form, HTML form. So I think I can just divide this into one, two, and three sections, I believe. Yeah. First two and then three. Yeah. I believe I can do it in this way. So let's write it first two. Okay. Then three. I think this one is one, two. I mean, I'm not sure. Maybe should I not do something like this? Because right now I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this shape actually. So maybe I'm gonna use some kind of CSS mask property or something like that. I'm not sure. Maybe I should think it later. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, uh, I can write two. Possibly, yeah. It's better option, I think. I mean, even if it's not a good idea, I can just change it. It's nothing complicated, but just I can just make this one, two, this two, and this. Yeah, definitely I should do that. Three. Yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Nice. So, so maybe I can just give an ID as let's say uh, let's say login um login website. Maybe why not? And this can be downside and this logo and uh welcome again. I can say suffix maybe suffix. Okay, or I can just say maybe top. Yeah, why not? Top. Uh, Um, Form, login, social media. Yes, we're gonna use this. Perfect. So, 23. Okay. So, um, and uh, what's so start with the logo. I can just create an image tag for this image, paragraph, or H1 or H2. And this is gonna be maybe, yeah, this is gonna be two clickable things. So yeah, so maybe I can just create another inside this one. So yeah, image source. Oh, not like this. Ah, maybe I should just leave it blank right for now. Yeah, let's leave it blank. Um, what else do we write here? Image. Um, okay. Let's say H2. Okay. And negative. Uh, Instead of the, let's say two. I mean, I can just write href maybe. I don't need to click the login, but I need to click the register, so can just stay. I mean, span maybe. Yeah, or just p. I can just make it p. Yeah, why not? And the other one can be just h. Uh, let's make it register. Yeah. And oh no, I did it wrong. Sorry. Uh, it's not self-closing tag. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What is the problem? This is the problem. Okay. Register. Uh, okay. Okay. Uh, and this is gonna be form. Okay, and Inputs. When I'm in passwords. So, um, text. Um, hmm. Okay, I can think that later. It's okay. Password. What was the type? Was it right there? Yep. Checkbox. Mm, newsletter. So it's a label. Oh, so that okay. Let's write it with label. Uh, oh yes. Okay. Password. So I never actually did anything like this before, so let me see. I don't know how to implement this functionality, so I don't know how does this work. Like remember password, forget password. Maybe it's something related to maybe just JavaScript. Maybe I should just write like maybe navigator methods. Maybe I don't know. I'm gonna check that later. Doesn't matter. First, I need to design this. Okay, okay, and maybe I should give it as a idea. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And another button. It's gonna be loading. Okay, nothing for it. It's gonna be P buttons. P. Yeah. Yes. Mm, mm, mm. Now I should be able to copy this, but what is wrong with this one? Interesting. Uh, what's going on? What's going on? Normal, I should be able to just click this and copy this. So what is going on? I mean, let's see what's gonna happen. Select this. Nope, I don't. Thank you. Why I can just copy the text? I used to do this, and what the fuck is going on? So when I like this, okay, okay, okay. That's interesting. Hmm. I mean, why I can just copy this one? That's isn't it stupid, or am I doing something wrong? Okay, let's write it just or connect it or connect with. Okay, that's stupid. Why I can't just copy this here? Oh, copy sticks. And it's gonna work. Let's see. Oh yeah, perfect. Yep, there's the easy way. I didn't know that. Okay, so this is gonna be a cool thing, maybe. Let's let's say turn. Or it can be, I don't know, maybe a tech maybe. Let's I mean I can change it, doesn't matter. And this is login with Touch ID. I never did something like this, so I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea, but I'm gonna figure it out later. But there will be some, let's say, icon, image, and okay. So it's gonna be image and SRC and let's start. Um, fingerprint icon. This one. Login with Touch ID. Okay, that's good. And let's see. Okay, okay. So let's take in a message, no message. Okay, okay. So our HTML code is almost ready. Definitely I need to change some stuff, but right now it should be all fine. Okay, so let's first implement the logic. My logic is gonna be, let me show you. So the ChatGPT gave me the idea of uh, when the user clicks the button, there will be a function. I mean, I don't need to create any elements right now because in this logic, we just append, it's not a good thing. So maybe I can just select the body or just the root and I can just render it. Maybe first, maybe first, uh, or hmm, okay, let's copy this. Let's see what's gonna happen. So I don't need to create it in here, so I can create it here. Okay. And I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this. Yes. I can just maybe construct and But ID. I think it was root, right? Should be root. Where is our HTML? Public? No, not public. Where was it? So yeah, yeah. So yes, root. ID root, yes. ID root, yes, correct. And I can just choose the root to render. Yes. And let's okay, let's select this. When we click, we call this function. We render this one, but we need to first yes. So should I call it just login component? I mean, it's obvious it's a component, but yeah, I think login should be enough. Nope. Yes, this one. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna change this. This looks horrible. Okay. 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 Yeah. That's better. But this is gonna be. Okay. Let's see. I never did this before, so maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe it's not gonna work. So I don't know. I'm not sure. So let's see. It's gonna be working. So maybe that's something wrong. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm doing it wrong. Yeah. I shouldn't. Yeah. Yeah, that's wrong. Yeah, that's totally wrong. That's totally wrong. Shouldn't be doing this. I shouldn't be changing this one. Sorry. That's stupid. Ah, I mean, by the way, why does in JavaScript we can just append any child, any children element, but why it is not happening in this? I don't want. I don't want to change this. I just want to add it as a child, as a children element, but so should I just choose the body and append child, maybe? Maybe should I follow this way? But if I follow this way, there will be another. Okay, let's follow this way. I have no idea what am I doing, but let me try. Okay. Let's try this one. Oops. Yeah. Looks like this logic is not gonna work. Mm, it keeps refreshing. Oh, maybe I should try something different. Uh,
We're going to start by making a div, recreate this using React APIs. So I'm going to go ahead and comment these out. And if we save this, we're in this props, and this one.
maybe I should do this. Hmm, Elements, wrap.create elements. Mm, uh, I need to select a root element. It says root element, so I don't need to. Maybe I should just choose. Hmm. So I want to create a React element, and I want to actually render my login component inside this element, but I need to actually uh, hmm, Oh, let's try. Looks like it's not gonna work, so maybe, definitely, possibly, I'm gonna use the old way, but let's try. Why not? Let's try something new. Okay, I created React elements, and I mean, instead of creating new React elements, so it's gonna be React elements. So why don't I just uh, let's say const to elements, um get elements by last name and okay. It's not working. It's working. It's what? It's the reason? Really? I don't think so, but I mean, no, I don't think so. That's the reason. Looks like this logic is not gonna work. I mean, in vanilla JavaScript, this is so easy. I mean, I don't understand. So yeah, I don't wanna just uh change the DOM, but in React, why it is like this hard? I mean, I don't understand. Is there any other way to do this? Actually, no messages, no messages. Okay. Uh, Maybe I should just use the state. Why it isn't happening? I don't understand. Yep, it causes to refresh the page. What? Why? What's the reason? Nah, no, it's not happening. Sorry, guys, I'm taking your time to what? I just wanted to achieve this. I think looks like I'm not gonna be able to do this. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't follow this way. I thought maybe I'm gonna be able to do it, but when I use this render method, it just keeps refreshing, and I mean, it doesn't matter which element I choose. Um, I mean, I can just maybe use the append child method from JavaScript, but they say it's not a good idea to change direct DOM, so maybe, yeah, maybe I shouldn't use this. So maybe, yeah, just maybe I just use the. So, but the thing is, when I change this, so this login uh, pop-up should come, should pop whenever or wherever it is. Uh, it doesn't matter. So login instead of just navbar, it can be any other place. So should I use use state, or should I just create one, and should I just create a component that will be mounted when the application rendered? And so maybe I should just change its using just display property, maybe. Because if I use states here, that means I'm gonna be able to only change this one. Right now, we don't use anything like React Redux or anything like this, and I think it's stupid to use it. So maybe I should just implement it and uh, let me see. Hold on. Hmm. Yeah, let's follow that way instead of doing this. Since we want to use a login pop-up at in different pages, so maybe I can just make it work in here. Yeah, then I can just change its CSS property. Yeah, I think that's better way to do this one. Uh, already sits in here, and yes, correct. And uh, uh-huh. And this should give us some error. Instead of this, let's make the console log. Log, collect. Okay. So I tried. I mean, I thought maybe I'm able to do it just in a simple way, but it's not happening. So maybe I should first try use this method. Some I don't know. I need to first test it. Then I can just learn how to implement it. So this, I never did this something like this. Like create a just regular HTML element or create a React element, then just try to render it. Try to instead of appending it as a child, just try to use the React's own render method. I mean, I never did this, so it doesn't work, by the way, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, looks like I'm gonna follow this path. Why not? Let's do it. Okay, so Okay, we don't need this. We don't need this. And yes. So maybe so this is just but three and maybe I can just this is the container. Maybe I should just create one wrapper. Oops. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, let's start from this. Uh, First, position, let's give it fixed. Then, background, colors, right? Okay, then, wait, mm, uh, this way, uh, bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Mhm. Okay, it doesn't matter, but maybe should yeah, should just absolute top siphon, yes. But So okay. Doot, 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 doot. Okay. 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 So I need to disable the this one maybe. Maybe it's not that important. Should I and the height? Okay, guys, so my wife, she's here, so we're gonna eat dinner. Looks like I'm gonna end the stream right now. So I mean, I haven't done anything very important actually. You see, I just wrote some simple HTML and CSS. I was hoping to create uh, and show this component in a different way, but it didn't work. So, I mean, I'm gonna keep testing some different stuff. Maybe, maybe another day with another method, I'm gonna be able to do it. I mean, it's so annoying. Like we can do things in vanilla, in React actually, the way we do in vanilla JavaScript. So that's annoying. But hey, what can you do? Okay, thank you for watching. And after my dinner, I'm gonna possibly continue where I live. And yeah, sorry for this. Let's say this stream wasn't that good, but yeah, at least I started this component. So I hope, um, I mean, I know it wasn't that good, but what can I say? Okay, thank you for watching. And after dinner, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna finish this component. Thank you. See you guys. Bye bye.